With Seek, there are many ways to find your next job. The most obvious way is to search for it.
Found one. Wow, what a well-rounded position.
Let's talk about how you search for a job. Firstly, and most importantly, you need to be signed in.
Do you know my password?
Have you tried password 123?
No. Let me see. Bingo.
Signing in means that you can streamline your job-seeking process. You can save jobs, apply faster, and be alerted about opportunities that match your Seek profile, ensuring that you're constantly in the loop. And you can do all of this both on desktop and the Seek app.
Do you know my password?
Then you need to use the keywords that best describe the type of job you're looking for. For example, type in project manager and that's exactly what you'll get. Every project management role that's relevant to you. But maybe you want to be more specific. You can also drill down your search by location. Or, for an even better result, you can add industries to your search.
Can't choose. Can I add a salary range?
How much?
80 to 90k, please.
Of course.
Broccoli? Fantastic!
Well, what do you know? Money can grow on trees. The more specific you are, the better the chance of finding the right job for you. So head to Seek and get the most out of your search experience.
Go to Seek today. Authorised by 3 random office workers trying to get the most out of Seek.